I'm so blessed and thankful talaga for this life group.
Life group?
First kasi,
Life
diba?
group.
Life group.
Life group.
Ayun, although siguro most of naman na friends ko talaga, hindi ko naman parang kinakahiya. Alam mo yung kung may pinagdadaanan ako, pinapakita ko. And if I'm happy, I'm really happy. You show me I'm happy. But yung along the way, yung nakikita niyo sa akin nung una is lagi akong masaya. Diba? But along the way, inopen ko yung sarili ko to this family. Diba? Kaya even in my yung mga pinagdadaanan na, diba, pinapakita ko. And because doon din kasi ako na-encourage, doon ako nakakahingi ng support talaga. And I'm so thankful na kahit na pinapakita ko yung weakness ko, never akong iniwanan. Diba? Nanginginig na. Never akong iniwanan. Never akong kinondem. Although, nandun yung hurt because yung sinasabi nila is really true. Kaya, it's hurting. But, alam mo yung hurt na yun is hindi ako nagtatampo or anything, nagagalit because I know it's the truth and I know it's for my own good. And I know that they really care for me and they love me. Kaya na-appreciate ko yun. So, although I'm still there, na-recognize ko yung sarili ko na I'm really still weak. Sinasabi ko kay Ate Cathy and ina-admit ko din talaga na ganito ako, hindi yung sarili ko. But I keep on praying talaga na ito yung laging prayer ko actually nowadays na gusto ko yung weakness ko, God will turn it into a strength. Diba? Na hindi lang sa akin na it will turn a strength to other people din na from this weakness, God will help me to stand up from this. And ayun, because ayun nga, ito, may great plan naman kasi si God sa atin. So, sa mga nangyayari sa buhay ko with the 23 years, with those past years na pagdadaanan ko, although I really feel the pain, I really feel, alam mo yung sobrang to the lowest point. Alam niya, Tikati. But, nandun, I mean, everyone, kayo na, lagi ko namin you gave me this encouragement din, aside from strength, prayers na nare-receive ko from you. So, I'm thankful din guys na I know that you've been praying for me din, because so, I'm so thankful and kahit sa mga nangyayari, sabi niya Tikati na even nang dami kong pinagdadaanan, but I'm still thankful for all those na pinagdadaanan ko kasi that's, I see it every time na meron akong napagdaan ng problema. After nang lumagpas nun, alam kong merong parang nagsi-step up. Alam mo yung merong nag-i-improve sa character ko. Merong nababago, something like that. And I really thank God kasi nakikita ko siya na He's really molding me. Alam mo yung pag-refine, masakit talaga. Alam mo yung sobrang sakit talaga. And kaya even though ganun, na-appreciate ko siya. And I'm so thankful na, alam mo yung, although nandun, but never akong pinabayaan ni God talaga. Na, I mean, almost to the point, gusto ko nang give up. But, He gave me people na tutulong sa akin to, umangat talaga ulit. Na, alam mo yung, you should not feel that way because you are loved and you are loved. We are here. And, andito lang kami lagi sa iyo. We will not condemn you. We will not, alam mo, i-push ka namin papalayo.